Hi everyone, good morning. Today is going to discuss a question from a chapter called complex number. Okay, a question given by my students and asked me to discuss. Okay, so let's get ready to explore and have a fun with our numbers. Okay, let us start. Okay, the question is very simple, class. The question is they ask you to do a square root of 2i. Okay, that means you need to do a square root of 2i. Okay, this is your 2i. Okay, you're going to do a square root of 2i. So what I'm going to do here, okay, when I do the square root, you should have an answer, right? Yeah, whenever you do a square root, you should have an answer. So maybe you know, right? The format of the complex number is a plus bi, right? A plus bi. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the square root of 2i, and I'm going to put equals to a plus 2i. So a plus bi. Okay, a plus bi. Okay, so I think everybody knows, right, what is I? Okay, I is a complex number. I is a complex number. Got it? Okay, so now once we get the a and b, that means we already managed to get an answer. Okay, that is the procedure. So I'm going to start. Okay, this is your question. Actually, this is a question I'm going to keep aside first. Okay, so let me start. Okay, so it's a square root of 2i, right? Equals to a plus bi. Okay, when we move the square root, it's going to be square. A plus bi square. Got it? Understand? So we're going to square the whole thing now. I'm going to square a square plus 2abi plus bi square. Got it? Okay, thank you. Okay, at this moment, I think most of you should know this. I square equals to -1. So I square is equals to -1. I think most of you know, right, about this. Okay, I square is a -1. Okay, I square is a 91. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it here. Your I square is going to be 91 there. So because you got I square, it's going to be 91. So it's going to be negative b square. Negative because your I square has become negative. The b square is still there. So I'm going to segregate them, guys. A real number and a complex number. Sorry, it's minus, huh? Okay, got it. Understand? Until here, I think hope that you can understand. Okay, now guys, actually what we're going to do now, every complex format number will have the real number and the what you call the imaginary number, right? Okay, that is the pattern actually. Okay, so here if you look at this question now, if you look at this question, this whole thing is a real number, you know, this is the real number. Okay, and this is the what you call the imaginary family, right? This is the imaginary family number, right? Okay, so if you compare here with your 2i, you have 2i here, right? So if you compare with your 2i, okay, 2i only got the imaginary family. So there's no real number here. So real number is going to be 0. So that means the entire a square minus b square is going to be equals to 0. And your imaginary number, you can equals to this. You understand or not? So that's how you have to move. So the entire a square minus b square is equals to the 0 because for this one, there's no real number here. Can you see or not? No real number. So that means your real number is a 0 here. So that's why this entire thing is going to be equal to 0. So your 2i you can compare with this. Hope that you can understand this, huh? Okay. So I'm going to clear all this now. So maybe I can help you here. Wait, give me a second. I can help you. So I think I put it separately here. You see, I segregate them, easy for you to understand. Okay, so that means now this entire a square b square is equal to be 0, and your this one is going to be this. So they understand, huh? So I'm going to take out that. We're going to solve that. So it's your a square minus b square equals to 0. So never mind, we can keep aside first. Maybe you want to arrange them is a square equals to b square, up to you. Okay, keep aside. This is your equation 1. I can keep aside because you'll be going to find what is a and b, right? Okay, keep aside. And then this one actually, class, you no need to take the I, I can remove the I. So you can have 2ab equals to 2. 2ab equals to 2. Got it? So 2ab equals to 2. So maybe let's say I'm going to get the a. So it's going to be 2 divided by 2b. So you can cut, you'll have a equals to 1 over b. Yeah, this is your equation 2. Got it, huh? Okay, so we already have equation 1 and equation 2. I'm going to do a simultaneous equation. Two into 1. Okay, 2 into 1. I'm going to get this one, your a is equals to 1 over b, right? A is equals to 1 over b. That means your a is become 1 over b. So this one is going to be 1 over b square. So you're going to get b with the power 4 is equals to 1. Okay, I move aside a little bit. So my b is going to be plus minus 1. Okay, plus minus 1. When you do a square root, not say square root, class. So whenever you do the root for any even number, right? Square root, square root, right? Punca kuasa 2, punca kuasa 3, punca kuasa 4. All this, the even one will have a plus minus. Only the odd one don't have the plus minus, okay? So after you manage to get this, I think I can go back to, that means I can do this one. Wait, I think I'm going to this side first, easy. Okay, it's from equation, I can use equation 2. So your when, your b is 1. So you can put the b1 here, you can put the b1 here. So that means your a also 1. Understand all, guys? Because you take the b, you substitute inside the b. So b is 1, right? So 1 over 1 will get a also 1. Understand? So a is 1. So when your b is -1, so I'm going to take a -1, I'm going to put it here, -1. So 1 over -1 will be -1. So your a will be -1. So understand now. So I think we already have the answer already, guys. This is our answer. So b is 1. So b is 1, a is 1, b is 91, a is 91. So the answer is here, what? Yeah. So I copy back this one. This is supposed to be your answer, right? So I think I'm going to put it here. So this is your answer. That means square root answer is, okay, if your a is 1, your b also 1. Okay, this is your first answer, or the second answer should be, because your a is 91, and your b is -1i. So done, guys. This is your answer. Got it? Okay, so this is how we solve this question. This is the complex number question. Wait, I put it here, make it more better, so that you can see the entire question clearly. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, come, I zoom it out. Okay, guys, this is your entire solution. So hope that you understand, class. Thank you and have a great day time. Bye-bye.